Hi, I'm Mike. What's your name? I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Excuse me, could you tell me where the science lab is? It's on the second floor, next to the library. Is this seat taken? This seat is free. Could you explain that again? I didn't quite catch it. Sure, let me explain it one more time. Has anyone seen my notebook? I haven't seen it, but you can check your desk again. Could you walk me through this part again? I'm a bit confused. Of course, let me explain it more clearly. What do you like to do outside of school? I love playing soccer. How about you? What should we focus on first? Let's start with the research part and then move the presentation. Do you have any tips for studying for this test? Yes, make sure to review the notes from the last week and focus on key concepts. How do you usually relax after a test? I like to take a walk or watch a movie tonight. I'm stuck on this part. Can you help me with it? Sure, let's go over it together. Hey, could you please keep it down? I'm trying to concentrate. Oh, sorry, I'll be quieter. Excuse me, what was the announcement about? It was about the upcoming school event on Friday. Do you have an extra pen I can borrow? Sure, here you go.